Metal and iron recycling is witnessing a surge as multinational companies are opening up recycling plants to process the tons of metal scraps that are being churned out by scavengers. As demands for aluminium, iron, and metal heightens at the global market, recycling business is booming in Nigeria, with many making a fortune from the metal scrap businesses. Trust TV's Ibrahim Ismail visited a recycling plant in Abuja and now reports.
The global demands for aluminium, iron, steel and copper is pushing many into scavenging and recycling as a means to maintain the supply chain. Recycled metals are now a major source of raw materials for steel mills companies and producers of metallic products. In addition to preserving the environment, these scavengers make fortunes in the metal recycling industry. 40-year-old Mamalu Bichi, who has been in the business for more than 2 decades, transacts within and outside the shores of Nigeria. I am a supplier. I used to buy scrap metals from here and transport them to Katsina. From there, people from Maradi, Niger Republic, buy and transport them to their country. They make wheelbarrows and other things from the metals. Local manufacturers in Nigeria depend on recycling plants like this one to source metals and aluminium to remain in business, as importation of these materials will hike cost of production. The scrap metals are used for different purposes. They are being transported to companies where they are being melted and processed into other products like bars and panels used in welding and other constructions. Aluminium materials are recycled into aluminium zinc for roofing houses, while others use it to create cooking pots, among others. The global recycling industry is worth over $250 billion. But local recycling agents in Nigeria are worried that lack of capital is limiting their capabilities to benefit more from the industry. Specifically, they require melting and processing machines to transform copper, aluminium, and metals into a brand new product, such as bars used as building materials in construction industry. When the scrap metals were taken to Lagos, they ended up being exported to other countries, where they will be recycled into another product that will be imported back to Nigeria. But this is what we Nigerians should be doing ourselves. With the right machinery, those machines can help boost our job. We can melt and recycle the metals into new products, which people can buy here. However, most of the recycling plants supply the metals to foreigners for export to other countries, while little is processed in Nigeria. Ibrahim Ismail, Trust TV News, Abuja.